Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Solid Master. In this I will tell you the two methods for plotting the result of stresses in beam and displacement in the beam. You can use these two methods for checking the stresses and displacement in the beam. So I have taken the example of cantilever beam. So this is the cantilever beam, and I have also made one video of this cantilever beam. So I will give that video link in my description, so you will check, you have to check that video first, and then you have to do this method. So remaining method up to the loads I have done up to the loads, and now we will go for the checking of stresses and displacement in the beam. So for checking these stresses and displacement in beam, we will require the loads, and we have to log this degree of freedom, or any loads is there, so you can try this load, or any UDL, up to UDL you have to give this, and then we have to give the cross section of the beam, and then only you will check the stresses in the beam. So I will tell you the first method, and then we will see for the second method. Both this method will be have same results. So for checking the stresses in the beam and displacement, click on general processor, and the first method will be our this plot result. So click on this plot result, and then counter plot. So this is the counter plot, and then click on this nodal solutions. So in this nodal solutions, instead of giving this, in this nodal solution you will check for these options. In nodal solutions, if you want to see the stresses, you will click on the stresses, and in here there is option 1 mean stress. Click on this, and then click OK. So this is the stresses in the beam, and this is the color codes indicates the various stresses. So this is the stresses value of this different color code. You can animate from here only. In plot control there is animation. Click on this deformed shape, and then click OK. So it will start the animated. For increasing the frame rate is our fix. For increasing the speed, this deformation will start fluctuating faster. For stopping this, click on the stop, and then close. Now we will see the displacement. We will see. So for seeing the displacement, same options. Click on this nodal solution, and here option DOF, degree of freedom solution. Click on this, and our displacement will be in Y component, and click OK. So this will be our displacement in the Y component. So this is the first method, and I will show the second method for plotting the stresses in the and displacement in beam sections. So you can use these two methods and see which one you will feel easy. So our second, if you want to check the second method, so same section will be there, that is general processor. In this there is option list viewer. Click on this. So this is the cross section of the beam walkers, and then click on here. If you want to check for the stresses, so click on the stress will be in our Y component. So click on this, and then plot the result. So at the Y component, stress will show that this is the stress. If you click on this X component, so this will show you the stresses in X component. Stresses will be in X component. So this is the different color codes for this. So this is the stresses in the beam. If you want to check for the displacement in the beam, so again here only there is, click on this arrow, and instead of going for this stress, click on degree of freedom, and here option displacement vector, some click on this and then plot result. So this is our displacement in the beam. You can take the screenshot of this also. Click on the close. Here is only you can zoom this, zoom and zoom out option is there, and here option image capture. If you want to capture the image, you can capture this, and you can also print out from the here only and then cancel. So this is our we have checked this is the final result of this. So in this video we have shown you the two methods for plotting or checking the results for stresses in the beam and displacement in the beam. So stresses we have checked in y component and also in x component, and we have checked the color codes showing the different stress value and displacement value. So please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and if you have any doubt related to this design software or ANSYS, we have given the link for the Telegram group, so you can click on this and join Telegram group, so that we will help you there in the group only. So thanks for watching this video.